Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to delete your voice message during recording in a Telegram group on your PC. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and navigate to your group chat from the chat list. Once you're in the group chat, click and drag the microphone icon upwards until it locks into place. This will start recording your voice message. Now, if you want to delete the recorded voice message, simply swipe your finger to the left side of the microphone icon. You'll see a trash can icon appear, indicating that you can now delete the recorded voice message. Once you see the trash can icon, release your finger and your recorded voice message will be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your voice message during recording in a Telegram group on your PC. It's as simple as that. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.